What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Danny Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Fetch Rewards app from your Nexus Rewards back office. I'm going to be showing you how to install, open the app, and take a snapshot of your first receipt. That way you get those bonus referral points that you are qualified for when you join Fetch Rewards, okay? But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn my screen around and I'm going to go into my back office and I'm just going to navigate you through the whole process because it's very important that you're signing up directly with your sponsor and you're not just going into your phone and downloading the app from your phone, because then you won't get those bonus points and neither will your sponsor, okay? So I'm just going to turn my screen around and get right into it. All right, so I'm just going to log into my Nexus Rewards back office. All right, so to find your Fetch Rewards app, you're going to go to number 2 from the navigation menu and click on your app's products. All right, from here, you're going to click on USA members. Okay, and then as you can see right here, Fetch, you're going to click here. Okay. So now you're just going to scroll down a bit. Now, it's very important that you join directly under your sponsor. Now, the way that you can do this is you can either do it from logging in from your phone, and you would do the same process, or you can just click on the link here, and it will pop open in a new window. Okay, so this is your sponsor's referral link. You want to make sure that you're joining from this link. From here, I'm going to click on that, and then what you want to do is you want to open your phone's camera. So I'm just going to do that and just show you. Okay, so I'm going to go in here to my camera, and then you want to make sure from your camera, if you have a smartphone, that you click on the little icon for the Google Lens. Okay, and then you're going to go and you're going to scan, and as you can see here, the link pops up and you're just going to click on the shutter button. You're going to tap on it and it's going to open up Fetch Rewards into the Google Play Store, okay? Or your Apple Store, however you wanted to do it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you logging in from your phone, okay? So I'm just gonna log into Nexus Rewards from my phone. Okay, then I'm just gonna tap on the 3 little lines at the top and then go to number 2. And then click here for USA members. It's the same process, just on your phone. Then you're going to go to click here for Fetch. And then you're just going to go to this is your sponsor's referral link, and you're just going to tap on it and it's going to open up into the Google Play Store app. Okay, so once you have downloaded Fetch Rewards and installed it, I'm just going to go into my Fetch Rewards app here. Okay, so once you get inside, you want to take a picture of your first receipt. Okay, this is how you're going to get those bonus referral points. That way your sponsor gets them and you get them as well. And you want to make sure you follow this process. That way you can also explain it to your signups when they join, or you can just show them this video. But when they join, you want to make sure they're signing up under your link into Fetch Rewards. That way you both get rewarded. Okay, so once you get into the app, you're just going to click on this little orange circle. And you're going to click on the orange circle for take a snapshot. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab a receipt. So 1 second. I have a ton of receipts for the day. And I'm just going to pick one out of my wallet here. All right, so now I have a receipt, and this one is from Wendy's. So I'm just going to go over it. And you want to make sure that it has the store name, the total amount, and the date all in the receipt, okay? So you're just going to click on the little snapshot button, the camera, and once those 3 icons light up green, you're good, and you're just going to submit. Once you've done that, as you can see, it reads Wendy's, your total amount spent, and then it gives you your points. And your first receipt should be your bonus points of whatever the amount was at that moment. So I'm just going to take another one, okay? So you could snap another. So I'm just going to grab another receipt here. This one is a pretty little bit longer. So I'm just going to click on snap another. And this one's from McDonald's. So I'm just going to take a snapshot. Okay, and submit. And it is literally that simple, okay? So as you can see, not sure if you can see that, but as you can see, it's that simple. So there is no reason for anyone to get into Nexus Rewards and not sign up to fetch rewards and not download the app and actually take a snapshot, because that is how you get rewarded and that is how your sponsor gets rewarded. And I've had a lot of people download the app and they haven't taken a picture of one receipt, and that's all you need to get started. Okay, so that is it. Just gonna switch back around now. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, just give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions or comments, you can drop them down below and I will get to them as soon as possible. As you can see, joining Fetch Rewards is not that complicated. You want to make sure you're doing it from your Nexus Rewards back office, because Nexus Rewards acts as a downline builder, okay? They're helping you funnel people into your Fetch Rewards app to get you more points, okay? So when you join from Nexus Rewards, you're helping your sponsor and you're helping yourself, because you do have to have a referral code in order to get those first-time bonus points. And then when your signups join you in Nexus Rewards, okay, absolutely free, and download this app, absolutely free, they're going to get points and you're going to get points from them as well. And that is where the bulk of my points came from, okay? So it is very, very important that you just follow the blueprint, download from your back office, and take a picture of your receipt. And if you never wanted to use it again, you don't have to, but at least take a picture of your first receipt so that your sponsor gets rewarded and you get rewarded as well. All right, so that is it for this video. Once again, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.